There has been some changes done to the 3D hook compensation. So in the profile software, we have an option now to do the user selectable operations for 3D hook compensation. So when we go into the calculate 3D model, operation selection has been added. So you can specify what are the operations you want to add the hook compensation to. So the ability to select operations for hook compensation simulation for the step editor operation is something new, and it will display all the operations, and the users have the ability to choose which one require the hook compensation and which doesn't. So this is available as part of the profile software operator selection hook compensation from the 3D calculate hook compensation.